Hello. Today we are going to talk about how to disable Windows Defender and antivirus. I will show you two ways to do this. The first is to temporarily disable the protection until the computer is rebooted. The second method will disable Windows Defender and antivirus permanently. So let's get started. Right-click on Windows button. Settings. Here we click on Privacy and Security. Windows Security. Then go to Virus and Threat Protection. And click on Manage Settings. Here we disable the Real-Time Protection switch. Confirm this action. Then we disable the other three switches. Now Windows Defender and antivirus on our computer is temporarily disabled. However, when we reboot the computer, the protection system will be enabled again. If we want to permanently disable Windows Defender and antivirus, it will be a little more difficult. But I am going to show you a proven working method. In the search, type msconfig. Go to System Configuration. Boot section. And check the Safe Boot checkbox. OK. Restart. The computer will reboot in safe mode. Now search for regedit. And go to Registry Editor. Then open the folder HKey Local Machine. System. Current control set. Services. Scroll down. And in the following items, change the start value to 4. To do this, click on the item. Double-click Start. Enter the number 4. Do the same with the other 4 items. Now, type msconfig in the search. Go to System Configuration. Boot. Uncheck Safe Mode. OK. Restart. The computer will restart normally. Now, type Task Scheduler in the search. Go to it. Navigate to Microsoft. Windows. Search and go to Windows Defender. Here we see 4 items. Disable each of them. Right-click. Disable. Now we check whether Windows Defender is disabled. We can see that the protection is completely disabled. Restart the computer to make sure that it is permanently disabled. We go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Windows Security, Virus and Threat Protection. And you can see that all Windows Defender and antivirus services are now permanently disabled. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. We offer free technical support for our subscribers. So please subscribe and ask your question in the comments below this video. We'll try to respond immediately if the problem is straightforward or create a video solution. We'll be happy to assist you. See you.